So today we're looking at the Fast Freddy Low Boy Stool. Now, this is a really low stool, hence the word Low Boy, and it's got a couple neat features on it to make it really useful for some of the jobs you got. So we have a 4-inch caster. This is a little bit of a unique caster because it is very slim and skinny. The slim profile makes it extremely easy to rotate and turn. Just like if you put a wide tire on the front of your pickup truck, it makes it difficult to steer. A wide tire on a stool also makes it difficult to turn and swivel. So this is a very thin profile caster. It is 4 inches, so if you got any kind of extension cord, zip tie, or some debris on concrete or surface you're rolling on, it will roll right over it. It works really well for that kind of application. We have a 13-inch seat. Now this is square for this version, and we got 3.5 inches of high quality foam. Now we wanted a good thick seat, that way when you sat on it, it was comfortable and you could sit on it for a long period of time without getting a sore butt. Furthermore, we wrapped that in a genuine leather. We've also went ahead and put a Kevlar stitch on it for the same fact you see with a good set of welding gloves. It's also Kevlar stitch, so this can handle the abrasion. It can also handle the heat. So if you're using it for welding, if you're torching, plasma cutting and you got slag and sparks falling on it, this is going to handle that much better than any kind of vinyl seat will. And beyond the chair that you see in this video, we have a slew of options that we offer as well. Most importantly, this chair is square, so it's got 4 sides. So you can put options on any 4 sides of this chair. Obviously, one of the more common options that we see is a backrest for ergonomic. So we have a small backrest that comes up, and you can add other options like, say, a personal one that I love is a mag base. So if I'm working on my ATV or some of my 2-stroke dirt bikes, I can take bolts off and just stick them right to the mag base. We've got single cup holders, double cup holders. We have general tool holders, a holder for a welding whip. And these options are not the only options you will see. We will add options as per people's requests in certain cases because we want people to customize their chair for their needs. Everybody uses a chair a little differently, and we want people to set up their chair exactly how they need it. So if you have any questions, you can see more at fastfreddyco.com. You can build and price yours there, and we'll ship it right to your door.